Hey everyone, get ready to dive into the most comforting, flavor-packed beef chili you'll ever make. This recipe is a true crowd pleaser, perfect for any night of the week. We're talking rich, savory, and incredibly satisfying. It all starts with a pound of good quality ground beef. We'll brown that until it's perfectly caramelized, creating a fantastic base for our chili. Don't forget to drain off any excess fat to keep it lean and delicious. Next, we add chopped onions, garlic, and bell peppers, letting them soften and release their sweet aromas. These simple vegetables are crucial for building depth. Then, it's time for the spices. Loads of chili powder, cumin, a pinch of oregano, and a touch of cayenne for a little kick. Stir in a can of crushed tomatoes, some kidney beans, and a splash of beef broth. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it cook for at least an hour. The longer it simmers, the more those amazing flavors meld together. Trust me, patience pays off here. This chili is incredible on its own, but don't forget the toppings. A dollop of sour cream, some shredded cheddar cheese, fresh cilantro, or even sliced jalapenos really take it to the next level. It's fantastic for game day, a busy weeknight, or feeding the whole family. Enjoy every delicious bite.